learn about divisibility test for 2, divisibility test for 3, divisibility test for 6, divisibility test for 5, divisibility test for 8, 9, 10 and 11. But today I want us to look at divisibility test for 7. Stay tuned to the end of this lesson. When is a number said to be divisible by 7? So a number is divisible by 7 if it meets the following conditions. The first step is double the last digit, then subtract the result from the remaining digits, and if the answer is 0 or a number that is divisible by 7, then we say the number is divisible by 7. We can have an example. Can look at an example. In this case, we consider this question 392. Let us check whether the number is divisible by 7. So we double the last digit. This is the last digit. If we double the last digit, that will be 2 times 2, which is 4. Then the remaining digit is 39. So we subtract 4 from 39. So we have 39 minus 4, we get 35. Therefore, 35 is divisible by 7. So hence we say that 392 divided by 7, it is divisible, whereby we end up getting that will be 656. So actually 392 is divisible by 7. We can also have another example. Example number 2, let us consider 105. Let us test whether 105 is divisible by 7. So we needed to double the last digit. So if we double the last digit, it will be 5 times 2, which is 10. Therefore, we subtract 10 from the remaining digit. The remaining digit is 10, so 10 minus 10 will be equal to 0. Therefore, also 105 is divisible by 7. Remember we said that a number is divisible by 7 if it meets the following conditions. You double the last digit, you subtract from the remaining digit. If the answer will either be 0 or a number that is divisible by 7, then we say the number is divisible by 7. We can also have another example. Consider example number 3. We can have 1085. Let us test whether this number is also divisible by 7. We need to double the last digit, and if we double the last digit, that will be 5 times 2, which is 10. Then we have the remaining digit, which is 108. So 108, we have 108 minus 10. We shall get 8, 9. 98 is divisible, and 8 is divisible by 7. Also, I can also have another example. Say 84. Let us test whether 84 is divisible by 7. So let us double the last digit. That will be 4 times 2 will be equal to 8. Then 8 minus 8, that is the remaining digit. 8 minus 8 will be equal to 0. Hence 84 is divisible by 7. We can have another interesting part, since mathematics is very fun. So let us take a bigger value like 6755. Let us also test whether this number is divisible by 7. We are testing divisibility by 7 or for 7. So we still have to double the last digit. We get 5 times 2, which is 10. Then we have the remaining digit, which is 675. So 675 minus 10, 5 minus 0, that is 5. 7 minus 1, which is 6, that is 665. Still, if we repeat the same process again, we can be able to get whether it is divisible by 7, since it is very easy. Now in this case, now let us again, this is the last digit. Can we double it? We have, that will be 5 times 2, we get 10. So let us again subtract 10 from the remaining digit, which is 66. 66 minus 10, we get 56. And 56 is divisible by 7. So we say that 6755 is divisible by 7. Is divisible by 7. We can also have another example. 62,216. We can test whether this number is divisible by 7. We repeat the same steps. Let us now consider the last digit. The last digit, that is 6. We double it. 6 times 2, that is 12. The remaining digit, that is 6,221 minus 12. If we subtract, we get 9026. Since this number is still large, we can repeat the same process. This is the last digit. The last digit is 9. Again, can we double 9? So 9 times 2 will be equal to 18. So the remaining digit is 620 minus 18. We get 2, 06. We can also repeat for the third time, considering that 2 is the last digit, so we double it. 2 times 2 equal to 4. Remaining digit is 60. 60 minus 4, we get 56. 56 is divisible by 7. And that's how we test divisibility by 7. Thank you so much. So I hope you have learned something new concerning divisibility test for 7. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask.